Hello everybody, welcome to a new video of JMSpeedshop, new project, W124 or S124 station wagon V8 turbo project. So I made a new playlist. If you want to see more about this project, have a look on JMSpeedshop.com, it's over here. Otherwise you can click on the right corner for you, there's my logo, go to my main page and subscribe. So I started this project with rebuilding my suspension and the rear and the front. So I have dismantled the full suspension on the donor car. The grey one you can see in the video before this one. I got all the rust off, coated the suspension again, or the subframe and all the other bits again. This video is sponsored by Strongflex because I'm going to use their bushing set. I used it before on a 190 V12 project. In this project I want to tell more about the products I'm using. So I'm also going to do a little bit of advertising, so they're sponsoring this video. And I'm also only going to do that for companies that where I use the product from, and I'm knowing that it's a good product. So otherwise you don't have anything about it. I can. So I'm not going to show you a big watch or anything else. It has nothing to do with cars. It's only we'll have to talk about stuff that you have to use for your car. So I think a lot of people are using this product. It's a polyurethane bushing. The benefits of it is that it keeps the flexibility that is like a new rubber bushing. So the lifespan is longer, and the red ones is just Sure 80. Sure 80 is the same as like a new rubber bushing that's in your car, so the original ones, but the lifespan is longer and they will not wear out as fast. So that's the benefit of it. So they also have these sets in a sport bushing that's Sure 90. So this bushing, that's a yellow set. You can have a look on the website. There's a link below the video. Strongflex, have a look. There's also a discount code you can use. So have a look over there. So I will show you the parts where I put the bushings in, how to do this. Hope you like it. Leave some comments below the video. And let's start. So put the bushings in. So these are for the rear control arm. Put them in the rear, so they are. It's much easier than you think. Always put gloves on because it's a greasy job. So you got special grease with it. So if you look in the inside, I don't know if you can see that, but there is a little bit rough edge in it, a rough texture in it. You have to put the grease in it because that will slide over the urethane bushing. If you not do that, you will get over time, you get that squeezing suspension with your hair. So I have it also on my 190 V12. I grease them just like you should do. I never had any problems with it. So you can just put these bushings in there, it's pretty easy. You just push them in just like this. Put grease in it, then put the steel pen in it. It's like a graphite grease or something, I don't know, but it's works pretty good. The leftovers we can do in the other one. So you can also grease them before or after, it doesn't really make a difference. So, let's put the other arm. Have a look if I can get that pin in. So. You can see it's now in. If you now tighten the bolt, it will center it itself. So it needs a little bit of force to get them in. Now they are completely stuck. So about installing the front bushings. So I got this one done. I need to clean them up. All the grease needs to get off of it. All the excessive grease you don't use. So it's pretty easy. So I will show you it. One that's not done yet. So, you can put the grease in before you put them in or after, it's just how you want to do it. Put it in the inside. So the texture is nice and flat. So it will grease then the outside of the pipe because your bolt is being held in place. The tension is on the sides of this bushing. So it will move in here. And if you don't grease it, like it should, then you get it squeezing. So it's very important. So it's pretty easy to push them in. It's like a graphite type of grease, I think. So don't get it in your clothes. It will not get will not get it out, I think. So nice. This one in here. So to get these bushings out is a much harder job than pushing them in. I think for people that have done this before, they know it's a pretty shitty job to get the older ones out. It's not that easy as to push them in. So it's also You don't have to over grease them, so don't put it completely, because you will push it out again when you push the pins in. So let's have a look how easy. I can better do this on the other side, that's easier. So it's now in. So you still have some grease on the outside, so you can see it's now in center. But if you put the bolt in and you install it, it will center itself again if you tighten the bolts up. So it's also completely stuck now. So the other one. So it's all nice galvanized parts. So this one was a little bit easier. So that's it. So I hope you liked the video. Let me know what you think about the product, if you already used it. I'm very pleased with it. Leave some comments below the video. It's all installed, only the other suspension arms I'm not going to use. I'm going to use a different one because I want to have more adjustment in the suspension. So I want to have more control over the wheels in the rear. So you can also use those sets. They deliver a complete set, is on the website. I will put a link below. You also have the other bushings in it. So all the bushings they have. So thanks for watching. Have a look below the video to my website JMSpeedshop.com. Subscribe to my channel. My logo is in the right corner for you. Have a look over there. Thanks for watching and see you for the next video. Bye bye.